Welcome to Webflow, the ultimate platform for creating stunning websites without writing a single line of code. This powerful tool offers incredible ease of use and flexibility for all kinds and level of users. To begin your Webflow journey, create a new account or log in to one you have already. You should then be taken to a creative interface where you're free to play around as you please. Webflow's visual canvas lets you design your site exactly how you envision it, using an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. You can choose any element you want to put in at any place. Simple as that. Adding layouts is simple too. Drag and drop photos, titles, and text combinations to build your content. Exploring the Style panel on the right, you can easily change styles for any element on your site. Center whatever elements you want, make them taller, wider, change the font face, size, weight, spacing, whatever you can think of to match your vision with just a few clicks. A tutorial should be shown to you as you navigate around the canvas so that you're knowledgeable of whatever anything you find does and how it can help you. Things like previewing a live version of your site as well as its responsiveness to different screen sizes can be found as you go through. Finish that up, and you'll have a general idea of Webflow's work process when creating a site. After finishing the tutorial, you should be able to begin making things on your own. Remember, Webflow lets you build professional websites without any coding. Explore various design options and customization features available for both beginners and experienced designers. Varying templates are available for you to choose from that can help you kickstart your design process. One useful feature that Webflow offers is the ability to collaborate seamlessly with your team, creating user accounts and access groups that allow management of the site. With built-in CMS, e-commerce capabilities, and SEO tools, managing your content and optimizing for search engines has never been easier. An app integration marketplace is also available for you to use to enhance your site's functionality with external services like Figma, Unsplash, and more. From here on out, you can apply whatever you've learned to modify the template you've chosen to your heart's content. When you're satisfied with it, you can publish your site, and it'll be live and ready to interact with. Lastly, a workspace dashboard is available for you to see, access, and manage every site you've worked on. You also have adjustable settings to suit your needs. And that concludes our brief look at Webflow, a service that allows users to build with the power of code, without writing any. Whether you're a freelancer, agency, or startup, Webflow scales with your needs, offering extensive resources and expert support. If you'd like to know more, visit them at webflow.com. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.